Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have got something really exciting for you. An unboxing and full review of brand new 4K Ultra HD TV by LG. It's powered by impressive LG A5 AI processor, 4K 7th generation. It comes with 7th generation processor and it packs some serious features. Really interesting. Hit that like button and do subscribe to this channel if you are watching this channel for the first time. As we unbox this TV, you will notice how carefully they packed everything is. The box itself is pretty large, so make sure you have got some space to work with it. Inside we have the TV and magic remote and the power cable and of course the batteries for the remote. Everything is neatly organized to ensure a safe delivery. So you can mount this TV on a wall with VESA compatibility stand. So we are not getting any TV stand for this 75 inches TV from the LG. So we only get the wall mounting stand that you will be getting from the technician at the time of installation. The total weight of the TV is 32 kgs approximately. So now let's talk about the most important part of this TV, the display. This TV is a 4K Ultra HD with resolution of 3840 and 2160. 3840 into 2160, which means a proper 4K TV delivering stunning clarity. So we got colors are very vibrant and the HDR support and including HDR10 HLG really brings the content to life with a deeper contrast and more dynamic colors. And with the Alpha 5 AI processor, 4K 7th generation, the picture quality gets enhanced even further with the features like 4K upscaling and one more thing like dynamic tone mapping and AI brightness control, making everything looks crisp and impressive. This TV also comes with variety of picture modes. You have got options like vivid, cinema, sports and even filmmaker mode. So perfect for those who want to experience movies as they were meant to be seen. Whether you are watching sports, playing games or just chilling with movies, and there is a dedicated setting that suits for your needs. For all the gamers out there, this TV is definitely a great choice. Budget friendly. It supports HDIG mode, which ensures optimal HDR performance for gaming, along with the game changer optimizer and the game dashboard, so you can adjust the settings on the fly. It also features auto low latency mode, which means less input lag, so your gaming experience is smooth and responsive. When it comes to sound, this TV comes with 20 watt audio output down firing speakers, so system provides clear and rich sound. I personally recommend you can go for a sound bar. There are so many brands available for the TV sound bars. You can please check it out. Let's talk about connectivity. This TV has all the ports you need: 3 HDMI ports, USB inputs and Ethernet port, even Bluetooth support, making it easy to hook up your devices. It also features Wi-Fi, so streaming and browsing smooth and easy. Speaking of which, the smart features are powered by the latest webOS 24 with Think AI voice recognition and integrating with Apple AirPlay too. You can control your TV using your mobile phone once you download a Think AI app. And if you are worried about power consumption, the TV operates AC 100 to 240 volts and 50 to 60 Hz maximum. Energy efficient standby mode it automatically. It consumes less than 0.5 watts when not in use. So you can feel good about keeping it plugged in. Don't worry. All in all, the TV is absolutely powerhouse when it comes to picture quality, sound and smart features. Whenever you are watching movies, playing games, streaming your favorite shows, this 4K Ultra HD TV delivers exceptional experience. So if you are in the market for a new TV, new and large TVs, definitely worth considering. Alright guys, that's it for today unboxing. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. If you got questions, drop them in the comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Catch you in the next video guys. Thank you so much.